Minimum distance classification. For this exercise, we will use Landsat 9, 7 spectral bands, reflectance dataset and 5 ROIs representing vegetation, crops, urban areas, snow, water and forest. The minimum distance technique uses the mean vectors of each end member and calculates the Euclidean distance from each unknown pixel to the mean vector for each class. All pixels are classified to the nearest class unless a standard deviation or distance threshold is specified, in which case some pixels may be unclassified if they do not meet the selected criteria. Follow these steps. From the toolbox, select Classification Supervised Classification and Minimum Distance Classification. The Minimum Distance Classification dialog appears. Select an input raster and perform optional spatial and spectral subsetting and/or masking. Select the input ROIs file that represents the classes. Statistics from the ROIs are used as input to the minimum distance calculation. In the threshold maximum distance field, specify a pixel value between 0 and 10 million that applies to all classes, or specify an array of pixel values, one for each class. The number of array elements must equal the number of classes. This value represents a distance threshold. The smaller the threshold, the more pixels that are unclassified. The pixel of interest must be within both the threshold for distance to mean and the threshold for the standard deviation for a class. The condition for minimum distance reduces to the lesser of the two thresholds. A higher value for each parameter is more inclusive because more pixels are included in a class for a higher threshold. In the threshold standard deviation field, specify the number of standard deviations to use around the mean for all classes, or specify an array of values, one for each class. Enter a pixel value between 0 and 100000000. Envi does not classify pixels outside this range. The lower the value, the more pixels that are unclassified. Specify a file name and location for the output rule raster. A rule raster is a grayscale image that shows intermediate classification results, where each band represents a rule raster for each class. With minimum distance classification, pixel values represent the Euclidean distance from the class mean. Enable the display result checkbox to display the output in the view when processing is complete. Otherwise, if the checkbox is disabled, the result can be loaded from the data manager. Specify a file name and location for the output raster, the classification raster. Enable the display result checkbox to display the output in the view when processing is complete. Otherwise, if the checkbox is disabled, the result can be loaded from the data manager. Enable the preview checkbox to see a preview of the settings before you click OK to process the data. The preview is calculated only on the area in the view and uses the resolution level at which you are viewing the image. See preview for details on the results. To preview a different area in your image, pan and zoom to the area of interest and re-enable the preview option. To see a model-based version of this tool that shows how the tool is constructed from individual tasks, click Open in Modeler. To reuse these task settings in future Envi sessions, save them to a file. Click the down arrow and select Save Parameter Values, then specify the location and file name to save to. Note that some parameter types, such as rasters, vectors, and ROIs, will not be saved with the file. To apply the saved task settings, click the down arrow and select Restore Parameter Values, then select the file where you previously stored your settings. To run the process in the background, click the down arrow and select Run Task in the background. If an Envi server has been set up on the network, the Run Task on Remote Envi server name is also available. The Envi server job console will show the progress of the job and will provide a link to display the result when processing is complete. See Envi servers for more information. Click OK. Looking at the results, particular attention should be paid to the rule image that is representing for every single class. The calculation referred to the discriminating function used for this particular classification algorithm. There are 5 grayscale image, one for every single classification class, representing I4th minimum distance classifier, the distance of every single cell from the class centroid, the mean value of the ROI. Brighter is the cell, dissimilar is the cell, darker the cell more close to the centroid and then similar to the ROI.